It's 8:30. Good morning, I'm Ian Crouch with Hunter News. A man who allegedly stole charity money tins around the Hunter has been arrested and is due to front court today. The 30-year-old is accused of taking 6 tins from stores in Newcastle, Lake Macquarie and Port Stephens in July. Among the money taken was donations for the Alex McKinnon Foundation from the Broadmeadow McDonald's. Police are hoping the public can help identify a woman found unconscious on a Swansea street last night. Emergency crews were called to the corner of Catherine and Moxie streets at around 8 o'clock, where they found the woman before taking her to hospital. Senior Constable Angela Corbett says it's believed the woman may have fallen over after suffering a medical episode.
She is described as Caucasian in appearance, aged between 30 and 35, about 175 to 178 centimetres tall, slim build, brown shoulder-length hair and brown eyes. She was wearing a short-sleeve black cotton shirt, dark blue tracksuit pants with an orange stripe down each leg, pink, grey, white running shoes, and was carrying a silver iPod shuffle.
It's now believed a relative has attended a local police station this morning. The Health Services Union is calling for more resources to ensure ambulances can get to patients in outlying areas of the Hunter as quickly as possible. Government documents show 50 patients across the Hunter were left waiting more than an hour for an ambulance during the 2012-13 financial year. In one case, a patient near Denman died after suffering a cardiac arrest when an ambulance took 67 minutes to arrive. There are fresh concerns. The state government is pressing ahead with plans to amalgamate Hunter councils. Lake Macquarie and Newcastle councils are listed in the government's Fit for the Future plan, which asks councils to submit plans to merge voluntarily in return for cash incentives to do so. Lake Mayor and Labor candidate for Charlestown, Jodie Harrison, says it flies in the face of the government's insistence of no forced amalgamations.
It seems that there is still an agenda for an amalgamation between Lake Macquarie Council and Newcastle Council from this current government, and that's completely against what the community has repeatedly told us through consultation sessions.
Drayton's Family Wines has copped a hefty fine for breaching OH&S laws following an explosion in 2008 which claimed 2 lives. The Herald reports the winery has been ordered to pay $210,000 plus court costs for failing to provide a safe workplace. Winemaker Trevor Drayton and welder Eddie Orgo died after a tank containing ethanol exploded during welding work. The University of Newcastle's Language Centre has been awarded for its highly effective student programs and its commitment to innovative approaches. The centre has attracted national recognition and accepted the 2014 English Australian Innovation Award off the back of a highly successful student experience program. Student Engagement Coordinator Robin Gentleman says the program plays a very important role for international students.
The program is a key feature of our centre and it contributes to the students having bilingual, bicultural and multicultural experiences as well as with their high-quality English language education at the university. And it's meaningful engagement that it offers students.
Now with sport, Claudie Groves.
Departing Newcastle Knights veteran Matt Hilder has slammed former club owner Nathan Tinkler. Tinkler's reign came to an end earlier this season, with Hilder blaming the mining magnate for declining home game attendances and a weakening junior system. The 32-year-old also hailed the decision to re-employ Rick Stone as head coach, believing it will help rebuild connections between the Knights and the Hunter community. Meanwhile, the Penrith Panthers are looking to throw a lifeline to disgraced former Newcastle forward Russell Packer. While Stone has revealed the Knights are interested in offering Packer a chance at NRL redemption, the Panthers have also emerged as a likely new home. The controversial 24-year-old was sacked by the Knights in January and is now serving a 12-month jail sentence for an alcohol-fueled assault. And Redhead's Daniel Collins has risen to the occasion at the World Rescue Championships in France, helping the Australian youth teams to secure a victory over New Zealand. The 17-year-old won 4 gold and 2 silver medals. That's sport. I'm Claudie Groves.
2 NURFM News Time, 26 to 9.